Kansas that were very pleasant today. However, we are looking for a new front to begin to drift south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks.
Alright guys, out here at Greenport Skatepark in Long Island, New York, and this place is like an hour and a half from my house. A little far, but it's been raining the past couple of days, so didn't really care, just wanted to skate something new. Yeah, it was sunny all morning, now the clouds rolled in, so everything's still pretty wet. Alright, so I think we're going to get a trick today on the mini ramp, and we're going to try fakie 270 nose pick to regular. This one seems like it should be easy, but I'm just not good at full cabs or half cabs really, so I think we can get it, but definitely doesn't feel comfortable. It's coming. I just realized I did it the other way. What was it? I think that was the first week number 1. I did it the other way, which is supposed to be way harder. But for some reason, the easy way is like so hard for me. It's like pretty much the story of my life, actually. Right here. Alright, pretty psyched on that one. Gonna try 270 out now because that didn't take me too long, so let's see if we can get this. Alright, I gotta be at work soon. God damn, that hurt. Alright, gonna give it like 5 more and then I gotta go. Oh! No! Ow. Alright, I'm gonna give it 1 more, I'm done. Gonna have to call it this week. I mean, we got a trick, so I'm psyched about that, but it's for the 270 out. Might have to do it another week because I gotta get to work. But as always, if you have any trick ideas, leave them in the comments below because I'll go back and like check all those videos when I need ideas, so definitely helps. And that's it. See you guys next week.